All right, two sides of an equilateral triangle have lengths x plus 2 and negative 2x plus 20. Which could be the length of the third side? Either 14 minus x or 2x plus 4. What we're going to do is we're going to say, since it's an equilateral triangle and we have measures for the first two sides, and I'm going to say, okay, one side is x plus 2, another side is negative 2x plus 20, and because it's an equilateral triangle, we know that they're equal lengths. So that's what we're going to do. Then we'll say, okay, plus 2x plus 2x minus 2 minus 2 divided by 3 divided by 3, and you get x equals 6. Okay? Now let's find the lengths of the sides then. Plugging them in to each expression. If one of the expressions is x plus 2, then that means 6 plus 2, or a side length of 8. Let's do it again for negative 2x plus 20. That is negative 2 parentheses whatever plus 20, and not whatever actually, because we know what that measure is. X is equal to 6, so we put 6 in there, and we get negative 12 plus 20, which also equals 8, because we know from this first one that we did that we've got a side length of 8. So that means that they should all be calculating out to be side length of 8 since it's an equilateral triangle. So let's plug in to the two expressions. They're asking which one could it be. Okay, and let's write those two expressions down as 14 minus x, or 2x plus 4. And then let's put in the values and see which one equals the number that we need it to be. And of course, those values were, it was 6, so we put in a 6 there. And this one calculates out to 8, and this one calculates out to 12 plus 4, which is 16. Only one of those is equal to the 8 that it needs to be. That's this one. So we say this is the expression that could be the length of that third side, 14 minus x. Yep.